The philosophy of Aikido was crystallized by the founder of Aikido, a Japanese man called Morihei Ueshiba. And unlike Tai
Yes.
Chi that has different families that grew Tai Chi and Kung Fu into different kind of branches and schools, in Aikido we have one founding master, one founding father, Morihei Ueshiba. He was born somewhere late 1800s and passed away mid-late 1900s. And in the Aikido community, he is also known as O-sensei, the great teacher. And in Aikido, he basically synthesized his understanding of the martial arts that he practiced. Throughout his life, he traveled around Japan and learned from different martial arts masters and from different schools. And he reached to a point where he had his own understanding of what martial arts are. And to him, and I will quote now, he said that the philosophy and the goal and the objective of Aikido is true victory, final victory over oneself here and now. You see, it doesn't mention anything about hitting an opponent, about overtaking an opponent, but actually talks about yourself and how you must reach victory over your own self, physical, mental, spiritual. And as in Tai Chi, there is a level of awareness, because he said, and I quote, "Here and now, be present in the present, know your environment, understand yourself, understand the environment, and then by extension, through techniques, if you are in a combat situation, you will be able to defend yourself." Because Aikido for him remained a self-defense martial art. And he was totally against creating a sport out of Aikido and creating a competition out of Aikido. The same way it happened with Jiu-Jitsu and Judo, which Judo is now an Olympic sport. So the philosophy of Aikido, if I were to summarize it, would be defend yourself, self-defense. And at the same time, protect the attacker from injury. That's why in Aikido there is a symbiosis, an understanding, both physical and sometimes even energetic, between uke and tori, between attacker and the person who's doing the technique. Because the founder, Morihei Ueshiba, opposed violence and opposed aggression. And if people understand that, if they walk into the dojo and they see Aikido as a self-defense, non-aggressive, peaceful martial art, then they understand the true meaning of Aikido, especially that Aikido has the character I, which means harmony or love or unity.
Yes.
So this is my understanding of the philosophy of Aikido.